if I were to Google you and friendship, what would I find?
Hmm. Oh, a lot. You would find monthly Zooms that I do with my college friends that started in COVID, but have continued. You'd find me going on lots of trips with my Peace Corps friends every year, all over the US and the world.
I'll
Okay.
double click on Peace Corps.
So I did the Peace Corps in very rural Costa Rica in 2008 to 2010. And kind of the thing I never expected going into Peace Corps, I thought, like, I'm going to change the world in this little town. And I didn't really think about making friends with other Peace Corps volunteers. And they have become some of my closest friends in the whole wide world. And it's just been it was a really beautiful, kind of unexpected byproduct of that really powerful experience.